Hi guys, welcome back to Two Vets in a Van, and hope you enjoy this. This is our first video of our third year making videos for YouTube, so it's been a great journey so far. Hope you stick with us.
Crossing a bridge and starting to rain. Nice and foggy. The clouds on the way up were starting to look darker and darker, and we knew it was going to rain. And I went out with Bit when Kevin was gassing up in Mackinac, and it was starting to tinkle down there. And as soon as we got to the side of the building, it started pouring. But that was the best service we got ever. The guys cleaned the windows for Kevin, and he filled it for him too, right?
Yep.
It was really, really nice guys. Well-run business. We loved it. See, there it doesn't look like it's raining, but up there, it is. There's Bit. She's a little wet. And there's Kevin driving. And Jan Kelly, we moved the fragrance thing to the back. Instead of there, it's now dangling over there. Thank you very much for the suggestion. This is always a beautiful area. It looks really pretty with the rain. So pretty. Another place you could pull over and park, spend the night. No sign saying do not do it. Dunes we used to go to with Aunt Kathleen. Go swimming with our friends, or just by ourselves. So pretty the colors in the sky and the lake. Almost turquoisey blue in some areas. Aqua. It's a good long one. When it's warm and sunny, this place is packed. The dunes.
Where are we at, Hopi?
We are leaving DeTour, heading for Drummond Island, Michigan.
Okay. We're on the ferry. So we'll be coming back and forth on the ferry, seeing her every couple days.
Yeah, instead of driving across, we'll just walk across, and
Yeah.
over here is.
We'll be walking traffic. And yeah, look at that view. Can you stick it out the window, babe?
Over there, you got some guys out fishing. Very nice. Now over there's a Dolomite for my dad, and probably pretty much everyone else's dads from the island and from the mainland worked at.
There you go. There's a ship there as well.
Oh, yeah, there's a big ship, freighter out there.
Today is one of those rainy days, so it is going to be coffee first thing. little Americano. Oh yeah, that's good.
They decided to take a stroll to the dock. I'm gonna visit with Mr. Oh, Mr. Seagull got scared and flew off and I took a picture of him. He's right there. I think that island right there is grape. I can't remember. It's been so long. If you follow this around from here and then back in that area right there, the sun is sparkling on that water. It looks like it's little diamonds. It's so pretty. Blue diamonds. I don't like white diamonds. I don't even like diamonds, but I just love the color of them. It's so pretty. You sit for hours and watch that. We're gonna see if we can find some more deer. We got some flowers man bit. We're taking pictures and labeling, so we're gonna move back to that bridge. And just before we get to the bridge, see if we can see any more deer running around together. Okay. See that purple? And that purple there? I believe that's wild iris. Let's see if we can take a picture of it and get an answer. And I think I see a turtle on the edge of the creek or a rock. I'm not sure which one that is, but we're going to take a look at that too. Alright. Yeah, it's a type of iris. We'll see. I'll look it up on my plant thing and I'll tell you what the name of it is. That grows around here wild. There's another one over there. On this side we've got a bunch of lily pads. You see a little bit of movement. It's those skimmers skating on top of the water right now. I don't see any minnows or anything yet. Just skimmers. And unfortunately some people leave their trash here when they're out there drinking 2 cans there. Bunch of jerks. If you take it in, you take it out. Don't spoil the little bit of nature we have left. There's some kind of a seaweed down there. It's kind of weird looking in it. And little cat over there. The mosquitoes are going for my eyeballs. Don't ask me why, I have no clue. Must be my new lens that they're dazzled by. I'm getting lots of names of bugs. Hard to tag down these dragonflies, so they're pretty darn quick. Now the clouds are coming, I might have to get going. See if we can find some more things to shoot pictures of for you guys. But it's pretty cool. Show you how deep this grass is. It's up to my waist. There's a little bit, she's coming too. Flowers out here. When we get out to the plains, you'll see Indian paintbrush flowers, and another one. It's got a pinky purple flame. I think it's purple flame or something like that is the name of the other one, and those are really protected. Hello, there's a hole here. I have no clue what the hay is in that hole. This is the wildlife refuge area. It's really beautiful. Let's take a seat. Here we go. We're going up at the bridge. see no fishies, but I know they're in there because my brother-in-law was down here the other day, Glenn, wandering, and said he saw some. He said he was here with Rob Anderson too. There's a seaweed down there. It's really pretty. Here's the babbling brook side of that bridge. This area's pretty cute. The rocks. There's dragonflies all over, and you name it, just flitting around. Yellow butterflies and monarch butterflies. Lots of raspberry bushes, all these things right here. These are raspberry bushes coming up. I wish I saw the deer line was way back in that corner. The bridge kind of way up. Go across the creek there and over there. I'm not seeing any fishies yet, but they'll be coming. And they said that some already came through. But she's going to try to go across the bridge. Go on, Bit. Go on over and then come on back. I think she's seen a cricket or something hopping. She's checking it out. Don't get stung by a bee. There's some fresh water in there now. She's enjoying it. She loves being out here in this kind of area with the grass where she can run free and do her zoomies. Good girl. Good job. Oh. Bet you want to go in front? You just keep stepping on my heel and I almost fall in the dirt. Look at that. Little fluffy bits. Fluffy bits. Bet, let me know if you find a mushroom. They probably all, oh, you did find something. Sounds like wild strawberry. These grasses are like almost purplish on top. And then you've got the yellows back there. I think these are old ones from the Queen Anne's lace when they bloomed. Then it's got, this is a sweet pea. It's growing wild. Beautiful purple flowers.
This is the spot I've always wanted to fly the drone at. And now that fully licensed, I had to fly it. And it is a beautiful area, the plains up there on Drummond Island. So thank you everybody for the last 3 years, and hopefully there'll be many more years of YouTube videos to come. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this. There will be more drone footage in future videos.
Just saw a bunch of. We left a bunch of horseflies with Kevin back at the van. For helping me point out, I'm gonna look up those plants with my Seek and Find app. Big like circle of it. So whatever it is, I can't remember. I know we used to get these wild little like blueberries. I think those are those Ferry ones I looked up earlier. Monkey in the head there, camera. You keep turning yourself up. Is it way up? Oh, there it is. Look, it's a way up, way up, way up. Take a look. Take a look over here. Well, let's pairs the cameras and keep turning myself off mode. Bit, where are you?
There's a little doggy. Tongue hanging out. Oh, she's hot. Let's go get you a drink. I got a little bit. There's that good little girl right there. Here she comes. Look at all these little Christmas trees. Little Christmas trees. There's Hoppy.
Yep. Well, worse. But better. Not on the ground in my face no more. Found my glasses. That's what's important.
Hello, beautiful. Hiya. Hiya. I see your tail. I see your tail.